Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact range that contains blanks so you don't disturb other data. Once selected, you can apply filters or formulas. Make sure to keep a backup copy first. You'll use data create a filter or the find and replace dialog next. This step defines scope and avoids accidental deletion. If you need precision, convert the range to a named range. That makes formulas and filters safer as you proceed. Now you choose a method, filter and delete for quick row removals or a formula to create a clean copy. If you filter by blanks, select visible rows and delete them. This changes original rows, so be careful. Once done, remove the filter. For formulas, use filter or query to return only non-blank rows into a new sheet so original data stays intact. Both approaches work. Pick the one matching your need for permanence or reversibility. Finish by replacing formulas with values if you want a static result. Copy the cleaned output and choose paste values only over the original range. Once done, scan for invisible characters. Use trim and clean to remove spaces and non-printing characters that masquerade as blanks. If something goes wrong, undo immediately or revert to your backup copy. One key troubleshooting tip: if blanks persist, test len cell to reveal zero-length strings and then clear or replace them accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.